Hello and welcome to the SegWay Analyzer Globe Claritas tutorial. This tool lets you quickly convert a SegWay format input file into a Globe Claritas extended SegWay file. The SegWay standard is reasonably well defined. However, over the years, many SegWay variations have occurred, so correctly reading in a file can be quite a difficult feat. The SegWay Analyzer can be found under the SegWay Files tab of the launcher. Select the SegWay file of a stacked section, which has been written with Globe Claritas. A window comes up, which gives us a summary about the most important information of the data set, like file size, sample rate, number of samples, sort type, and so on. The different header types can now be explored in more detail. For example, the eBacitic 3200 byte real header, which in this example shows a nice summary of the processing history of the stacked file. The real binary header provides information such as sample rate and trace length. The SegWay Analyzer shows the name, value, and the byte location of those headers. Looking at the individual trace headers shows a similar setup. You can step through the trace header values by using the smaller and larger keys. SegWay Analyzer always has the option to display an amplitude histogram as well as the data itself. Of course, the data display has the same functionality as XView. These two displays can now, for example, be used to establish if your data is stored as IEEE or IBM. It is also possible to redefine binary header values, like sample rate, number of samples, and so forth. After the data set is checked and possible mistakes corrected, the file can be directly saved in the extended Claritas SegWay or standard IBM SegWay file format. It is also possible to create a Claritas job file, which includes a read SegWay module that is set up correctly for this type of data. This job can consequently be used to read many files of the same type.